Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Sky blue color, black color, pink color, red color, brown color, orange color, light yellow color or dark blue color. Let's start. Red color. A for aeroplane. B for ball. C for cap. D for dog. Blue color. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. Pink color. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lemon. Purple color. M for mango. N for nest. O for owl. P for piano. Yellow color. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for tomato. T for tomato. Green color. U for uncle. V for village. W for water. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.